the Honor 95G has taken a significant step forward in connectivity by officially supporting Reliance Jio eSIMs. Madhav Sheth, CEO of FEG, the Indian unit of Honor, confirmed this exciting development. The announcement was made on his official X account, where he shared screenshots demonstrating the eSIM support for Reliance Jio. This feature allows users to use an eSIM in conjunction with a physical SIM card. However, it's important to note that the device currently shows for network capability on the eSIM, with 5G connectivity still pending confirmation. Looking ahead, Madhav Sheth indicated plans for collaboration with other network providers, hinting at broader eSIM support in the future. This update comes several months after the Honor 90's launch in India. The Honor 95G boasts impressive specs, a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 1600 nits peak brightness, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC, up to 12 GB RAM, and 512 GB internal storage. The camera setup includes a 200-megapixel triple rear camera and a 50-megapixel front camera, a robust 5000 mAh battery with 66 fast charging, a slim 7.8mm body, Bluetooth 5.2, an in-display fingerprint scanner, GPS, and stereo speakers round out its notable features.